My clients often ask me, well, how much walking should I be doing? Well, it's really up to you, but at least 3 times a week would be great if you could add at least 20 to 30 minutes of walking in to your day, and making sure that you don't always take the same route, but that you vary that route would be great. Um, the old adage of 10,000 steps is actually not really true. That was something that the people who designed the pedometer made up and said that people had to do. Recent research has actually found out that for menopausal women and postmenopausal women and people who are aging, 6 to 6,500 steps is enough for you to get that healthy aging process from your daily walks. So walk as much as you like, but do try to do at least 6,500 steps every single time you go for your walk.